So good morning guys. So today I have a beautiful Rebecca to show you. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol near the port of Mathron. So we're about 20-minute drive from several beaches here, and this is an ideal location, lovely warm community. We are on the Costa.Calida and we get sunshine most of the time here in Spain. So this is the property that I'm going to show you. So you have a lovely Rebecca there, and it has double gates and off-road parking. It's a nice quiet road, and it's at the back of everything, so not many people come around here, so it's a pretty quiet road, you know. So I just go inside. You got these lovely ornate double gates, and of course you've got your off-road parking there. And you've got a storage shed at the end of the driveway. Okay. So you have got a few little steps up here with a very decorative balustrade. And we're going to take you up to the terrace now. On this terrace, it's quite long, as you can see. You have a water point. And you have a table and chairs. It is in the shade at the moment. The sun is starting to creep over. It's first thing in the morning. But you could just sit here and watch the people go by. Or read your newspaper and have a coffee in the morning. Okay? So, as you can see, there's recess and blackout blinds on the window. You have an overhead light. And there is insect screens as well. Lovely decorative balustrade. So let me go inside and we check this property out. So guys, I've just come inside the property, and as you can see, we have quite a large living space. It has aircon, it has a ceiling light and fan, all in working order. And just here you have a door to the kitchen, which is really unusual for a Rebecca. Okay, so I'm going down here just to pan around, just to give you an idea of the space in here. Okay, so I'm going to go through the archway and show you. We have 2 bedrooms in this property and a shower room. So we'll have a look in there now. So, in the first bedroom, just pan around for you. As you can see, we have integrated wardrobe and overhead storage. And just above, we got a ceiling light and fan as well. Okay, this fits a double bed, but you can put 2 single beds in here as well. Okay, so that's the first bedroom. But just off here, you have the shower room. The light. Going into the shower room now. I've had to switch off the light because it flickers on my camera. But just to show you, there is a frosted glass window. You have a single shower unit there. You have your bidet. You got your towel rail here. And if I come around here, you've got another towel rail, sink and vanity unit, and your WC. You've also got a shaving socket there and a mirror with a cupboard. The bathroom obviously is tiled from ceiling to floor. Okay, so we go into the master bedroom now. So the master bedroom has a ceiling light and fan. It has switches and sockets on either side of the window. You have your insect screens and all that. Your blackout blinds. And you have integrated wardrobe with overhead storage. There is plenty of room in here. And you could have a king-size bed in here quite comfortably. Okay. So let me take you in and around. We're back into the living space here. It's nice and cool in here. And just here you have your dining area. Okay, it has insect screens and blackout blinds on the window with standard light fitting. Just here you have your kitchen, plenty of top and base units, worktop space, integrated hob and electric oven, your washing machine and your fridge freezer. You've also got more cupboards and worktop space there as well. Okay, so I'm going to bring you outside into the back terrace, into the courtyard. Now immediately as we go out, we have got a tank here, and this water tank has a motor, and this holds 750 litres of water in case you ever get cut off with water, you know. So, and that doesn't happen very often, I have to say, but some people just like to have it there as an extra. So you have got a little courtyard here where you could come out in the morning and have a cup of coffee or your breakfast. Okay, it's quite nice and relaxing out here. I'm going to pan around and we're going up that stairs. So I'm just coming upstairs now, and we're going up onto the rooftop solarium. And this has been done out purely for relaxation. So got a nice glass of vino there waiting for you and your friend on arrival. You have lounges here, and of course you've got this hot tub. The pergola shades you through. So just as we get up the top of the stairs to this rooftop solarium, you have got your hot tub. You've also got your pergola here, all set up for your friends to arrive. And of course you've got your loungers or whatever. So it's really nice up here. If you've noticed, not a lot of houses have it on the rooftop solarium. I'll just sit down here and show you, but you have got the walls slightly raised for privacy. So that's a cracking idea. Okay, now the views over the wall there, absolutely stunning. I'll bring you and show you now. So I'm just focusing over the views of the valley there. Now this is what you see from your rooftop solarium from this property. Beautiful scenic scenery. The bread bin of Europe, I call it. Absolutely beautiful. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's a lovely property in an ideal location. You're 20 minutes from several beaches. You're 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport. There is quite a lot around and about, a bit spread out, but there is a lot for family holidays and that here. And you've got this lovely rooftop solarium where you can enjoy a glass of wine or a dip in the hot tub. If you're interested in this property, I will leave the reference number in the title of the video, and in the description box I will leave the agent's number. So if you're interested, do get in contact, and don't forget to leave the reference number of this property so the girls in the office know which one you're inquiring about, and don't forget to leave your contact details. Okay, so until the next time, hasta luego, take care, have an amazing day guys.